The word slack literally means to be lazy, slow, or careless. So when Stuart Butterfield named his workplace communication tool Slack, he did something kind of genius. He turned it into an acronym that means the complete opposite: searchable log of all conversation and knowledge. A tool built to make work faster, clearer, and easier to keep up with. And yet, here we are, buried in 60 unread messages, missing important updates, and wondering if we need another app just to manage this one. In this video, we're showing you how to actually use Slack the way it was designed, so it lives up to its name. Now, before anything else, set up your Slack workspace. Start simple and give a clear name to your workspace based on your company or team. Get your team invited right away and set your profile and status so people aren't guessing your availability. And then learn your keyboard shortcuts. For example, Command-N on Mac or Control-N on Windows fires up a new message instantly. Command-U lets you upload a file without clicking through 3 menus. And Command-Shift-Y sets your status without ever leaving the conversation. Once your workspace is set up, create your channels. You'll want separate channels for team updates, individual projects, and the random water cooler chatter. That way, nothing important gets buried under 3 GIFs and a lunch debate. But the real trick is how you name them, so people always know where to go. Use a simple format and stick with it. The second you start naming things randomly, your sidebar turns into a junkyard. Also, star the channels you check daily, mute the ones you don't, and every few weeks, archive whatever's gone quiet. A clean sidebar is the difference between Slack working for you and Slack drowning you. Now that your channels are set, let's speed through the 4 features most people either misuse or completely ignore. First up is mentions. @username pings 1 person. Use it freely. @channel pings everyone in that channel. @everyone pings your whole workspace. Use the last 2 like you use caps lock, rarely and only when you mean it. Overdo it and your team just stops reading. Then there's search. Instead of panic scrolling through old threads, just hit Command-F and use modifiers like is:saved to pull up bookmarks or has:with an emoji to find specific reactions. It takes seconds once you know the shortcuts. For notifications, go into your settings and set up Do Not Disturb for your deep work hours. Limit your alerts to just DMs and mentions, and add keyword alerts for the stuff that matters. And for emojis, use them as quick signals. The eyes mean you're on it, and when the work is done, react with a checkmark. You can even run polls with reactions instead of starting a whole new thread about where to eat lunch. That's your Slack glow up, from a notification nightmare to a workspace that makes sense. What's the one thing you changed in Slack that made the biggest difference? Let us know in the comments. And if you want your chats and your work living in the same place, try ClickUp for free. Links in the description.